Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for popping on in. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I post productivity videos and lifestyle, fashion related content. So let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be sharing how I edit my app icons and how you can too. This is made simple and easy. First thing you are going to need to do is you're going to go ahead and go into your app store, because you're going to be editing with an app. So for Canva or Canvas, I guess that's Canva, yeah, and it should be the top one. You're going to go ahead and click that. I already have it, so I'm just going to click open. And so this is actually how I use a lot. I use this app for a lot of stuff. It's honestly so beneficial and just great for editing. If you're a YouTuber or content creator, this app is for you. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go in and edit app icons. So in order for that, you have to get the right size or design size. And so I'm going to go ahead and click logo. It should be right there on the top, or you could just go down and it's right here, and you can get formatted, or you can get specific formats for whatever you want, I guess, like whatever design you're looking for. But since I want to do it a little bit more customized and design it my own, I'm going to go ahead and just click logo. And you're going to click blank, and then from there, you can then go ahead and click that plus sign right there. And then you can click like illustrations, or if you want, you can actually edit from your own app library, but we're going to just click illustrations. So I like this because you can edit the apps, like you can edit these icons directed towards whatever color you want. You can really go in and design, and it's really you can really design it your own. So we're gonna edit, I already did Instagram, but I guess I could just show you guys how. I'm going to go ahead and delete this so you guys can see exactly how I went about doing that. Anyway, we're going to go ahead, get back into Canva, and we're going to search for Instagram. So it should show up right there. I'm going to just click that because that's the app icon. And then we're going to go ahead, and I want a specific background color, which I'm going to go in images and search for that background color. And I already edited this, so it's already saved in my my camera roll, but I'm just going to show you how I get the specific color and everything, I guess. Anyway, so just going to go and click colors. And then you should see that color picker option there. And you can go in, and this is kind of tricky, so you gotta really be careful with how you... So right there. So I like that, and it's already saved, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click this back up, or the first icon that we downloaded, or that we uploaded from the illustrations option. I'm just gonna click delete and bring this to the center, go like that. Okay, done. And then I'm just going to click save. It's as simple as that. Download. And then the fun part, so you're going to go into shortcuts. All right, and then Instagram, I already have it saved as an action, but I'm going to go ahead and delete that so I can show you guys just how I do this. So delete shortcut so it can start all over. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and click that plus sign up there. We're going to click add action. From there, you should see the scripting option right here. Open app, and then you're going to search the app that you're trying to make a shortcut. So after you click those three dots up here, you're going to then add to home screen. But before you do that, if you specifically want to save it with the icon that we designed, you're going to click that home screen name and icon right on there. You're just going to click that, the Instagram icon, and then it should give you the option, edit icon, take photo, so you can take a photo from your camera, or you can just choose a photo or choose file. In this case, we're going to go ahead and choose photo, so I'm just going to choose the photo here. And then, there you go, voila, add. And then it should change, right? Okay, so it should, right there. So it shows up like that. You can then go ahead and add that to your home screen, and that's pretty much just how you do that. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys like creativity, or if you guys like similar videos like this, tech tutorials or whatever it may be, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead, feel free to suggest video ideas in the comments below if you want. Follow me on Instagram, like I've already said. You can subscribe to my channel. Sharing and liking my videos helps my channel grow, and I appreciate it so much. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this video off here. Once again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and see you guys soon. Bye.